Isn't it gorgeous? Of course it's fennel. Fennel is used in many things that you eat, whether you love it or hate it. It's used in pastries, it's used in sweet pickles. Yes, you know when there's the dill and the seeds in there. Yep, that's what it's used. And it's also used, of course, as fish, as most of us know it. And the bulb can be used to roast. A lot of us, when we buy those salad packs, and yeah, I know you're one of them sitting there, but you've bought those salad packs, and in it is a very little frilly end of a plant, and that is fennel. And how do we know it's fennel? It's because it has that beautiful, pungent, licorice all salt smell that is, oh, it's delicious. It's like, what a lot I got. Yes, it's here, and it's beautiful. Not only in the veggie garden is it fantastic, it's great in the garden as well. And very often we use the bronze fennel, which is just in front here, planted amongst the grasses, because it looks fantastic, especially in the afternoon light. So fennel belongs to the carrot family. And how do we know that? Because look at its flowers. It's got these huge big panicles of these yellow flowers which attract the bees, and the butterflies also love it. So what can we use of it? We can use the whole plant. We can eat the flowers. Down here is the seed, some dried seed, which can also be eaten. Of course, the leaves can be eaten. And then the most spectacular is the bulb. I mean, look at this guy. This is spectacular. And you can see why it's related to the carrot. Look at the long taproot. And then we simply cut this off. And this is the part that we would then roast and mix up with other veg. And I know what I'm having for supper tonight. A bit of roast fennel, lashings of olive oil, and this sliced up, popped in a roasting tray with this beautiful smell is going to be fantastic. So for diversity in the garden, in the veggie garden, fennel is one great plant to use. Pretty tough as well because it grows on the shores of the Mediterranean, so don't overwater it. Give it lots of sun because that's what it enjoys, and it is pretty much fuss-free and so beautiful.